Hi everyone. Today is March the 4th, which means we're having a draw. See if you won.
Let me show you something.
Hey everyone. Okay, it's Teresa. I'm going to do my draw. I'm going to put all the names, all the comments for the 50 for me, 50 for you giveaway by Distinctive Crochet. Our beautiful Priscilla is hosting this wonderful giveaway. So I'm doing my draw today because it's March the 4th. So good luck everyone. And I will be back with the clip of the winner. And then I will let Priscilla know who my winner is. Okay, good luck everyone, and congratulations to the winner. I can't believe it that she won again. This girl is so lucky. Every time I do a giveaway, just about every time, this will be her third time winning on my channel. I hope that you win the grand prize, Wendy. Congratulations. I can't believe it. Way to go. And thank you everyone for coming to my channel, subscribing to me and discovering me. I'm always looking for new and returning yarny friends. I really appreciate you all. Everyone have a great night, and we'll be back with more videos in the future. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Let me show you something.